after sales service support is key ingredient for the success of any company. And we are here with Varun, who will tell us how they support their customer for after sales and service support. Thank you, Varun. So
Thanks,
please,
Ashutosh. So basically, any engineering product would require some amount of maintenance or some support, whether it's a technical support to better utilize the particular product, or it could be a maintenance related support. So we provide both these solutions with our particular product. We have a very strong team here located basically all across India, especially in northern India. With our team, we provide different kind of solutions. We do on-site repair, on-site adjustments. We also detect early issues that could happen in the future, or if somebody wants to do some overhauling of a very old product, we support them with that as well.
great. So do you also provide AMCs to your customers?
Yes, we do provide AMCs, so especially with people who have 10 to 20 rotary tables. They like their rotary tables to be up and running all the time. This is when we come in and we provide support over here as well.
Great. So what kind of, during after sales support or servicing, what kind of issues are there and how do you support your customers?
So there's basically one major issue because these are all worm-driven tables. There's something called backlash adjustment. After a certain period of time, you'll have to adjust a backlash in a worm-driven rotary table. So we have two options over there. We can provide you virtual support as well, where you could adjust the backlash, or we send our particular engineer onto your location, where if you adjust the particular system, the worm system, you'll be able to adjust backlash and also improve your accuracy on your part.
Awesome. And how do you support them with the spare parts or if any parts are required
So
to
we
repair?
usually keep stock of all our spares, and if any customer is looking to replace any of this particular spares, we give them a standard kit, which can be used to keep your rotary table up and running. Or if there's a particular part that's worn out, then we send that across from our head office as well.
Amazing. Can you tell me one more thing? I was curious to know. For example, if I am a manufacturer, I am using your table, right? And for some issue, I was not making that part, and my table was not being used. Can you refurbish my old rotary table as well?
Yeah. So we provide that service as well. If you have a very old rotary table and which you'd like to use it for your production as well, you can send it to us at our Bangalore facility, and then we give you an SLA time by which the rotary table will be serviced and uh, provided back into your facility, productionized, and as good as new.
Fantastic. So, how should we contact you? How should the customers contact you if they want any sales and service support or they want to buy AMCs?
Yeah, you can visit our website. Alternatively, you can call us over here at 407 or write to us at servicesupport@ucamin.com.
Fantastic. Thank you, Varun. Thanks
Thanks,
a lot.
Ashutosh.
Thank you.
Take care.
Take care. Bye.